Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this OnePlus. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Password and Security. Now click on Lock Screen Password. Select one of those password types, numeric, alphanumeric, or pattern. Wait 5 seconds and choose Continue in the pop-up. If you change your mind, you can always click on Use a different password type and select one of those options. I will go with Pattern. Now create it. Repeat it in order to confirm it. And choose Enable on or Cancel, in Turn on Fingerprint Unlock. I will go with Cancel, so when I click, turn off my screen, then switch it back on. I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!